Hello everyone, I'm Marilyn. Welcome to my cozy studio. Today, I'm sharing a touch of vintage elegance with full outfit styling inspired by autumn and winter season. I'm featuring the timeless Cervin Black Seamed Stocking in classic black, styled with vibrant Fuchsia leather coat, silky layer top, and my favorite Sergio Rosy heel. Let's begin our elegant journey into vintage glamour. Now I'm seated comfortably in my cozy studio corner, ready to begin today's highlight, the Cervin Black Seamed Stocking in classic black. I'm opening the beautiful Cervin box slowly. Appreciate the refined package and heritage detail that makes this brand so special. Each pair carries that unmistakable vintage charm and precision from traditional French craftsmanship. As I lift them from the box, the first thing you notice is their graceful sheen and delicate texture. They feel incredibly refined, light, smooth, and perfectly made for those who adore authentic vintage style. The back seam design runs elegantly throughout, creating that timeless, elongated silhouette that has defined sophisticated dressing for decades. These are in size 0, extra small, which for me provide an exact and flattering fit. Cervin pieces have a classic construction with no stretch, so choosing your correct size is very important. Everything about this presentation speaks to quiet luxury, refined simplicity, attention to detail, and that unmistakable touch of Parisian grace. As I gently put them on, you can see how beautifully the fabric aligns. Cervin stockings known for their smooth texture and timeless durability. They have no stretch, so choosing the right size is essential to preserve the fine vintage weave. For today's vintage inspiring style, I've paired them with classic 6-clip mesh garter belt. It offers a secure and graceful fit, perfect for movement throughout the day. Comfort meets authenticity, exactly how vintage hosiery was meant to feel. To complete the look, I've added my Armani Opera leather glove, a timeless piece that instantly adds a touch of refined elegance. They are perfect for the cooler season, balancing both style and comfort while bringing harmony to the whole outfit. The rich texture of glove contrasts beautifully with the smooth fabric underneath, creating a sophisticated balance between structure and softness. Their tailored finish gives every gesture a graceful rhythm, enhancing the pose and confidence of entire look. Under the warm studio light, I now bring the full outfit together. The Fuchsia PVC leather coat blends beautifully with the deep black tones, creating a statement look for autumn and early winter. Now, with the full outfit together, everything feels complete. The mix of soft fabric and sharp shape work so well. Each piece fits beautifully with the next. The Fuchsia coat adds a lovely glow and makes the whole look stand out with a simple, confident charm. Movement around feel light and easy. The outfit stays comfortable while still looking polished and graceful. My Sergio Rosy heel finished the look perfectly. They're sleek, elegant, add a little modern touch of balance, the classic style. The pattern gave it just enough contrast against the deep black and bright pink to make the outfit interesting without being too bold. All together, a look that feels timeless, warm, graceful, and ready for the something colder season. Simple but elegant and full of that vintage style I love sharing with you. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope today's styling gives you some inspiration for season ahead. Until next time, stay elegant, stay inspired.